Hi everyone, in the front of me I've got Motorola Moto X40 and let me share with you how to add the photo to contact in this device. So first of all, let's open your contact list and of course find the contact you'd like to edit and tap on it. Now let's tap on the edit icon in the right upper corner and tap on this kind of profile picture. And as you can see here, we've got two different options from which we can choose. So we can pick the camera, and after that your device will open the camera app. So this is the best option to choose if you've got the person right in front of you and if you're able to catch a photo of him or her. Or you can choose a photo from the gallery, and I will pick this option. Here we have to simply find the photo we would like to use and tap on it. And as you can see from this step, we can adjust the size of the photo, the position of it also, in this highlighted circle, because it is responsible for what we will see after saving the whole contact. So basically this area is responsible for it. And position your photo just like you want to. And if you are happy with your results, just tap on choose. This is how it will look like on the contact. So if you're happy with your choice, just remember to tap on save. And here we've got our contact saved. You will be able to see the photo, for example, on the contact list and during the incoming calls from that number, for example. So basically that's all. This is how to add the photo to a contact in your Motorola Moto X40. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.